Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Open your cameras. Karthik, Sarthak. Is Sarthak and Garv? Sarthak and Garv. So Sarthak Agarwal. Open your cameras quickly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Open your cameras quickly. Open your cameras. Jaldi se. Only 6 students are there. Why? चलो बच्चे, open your camera quickly. There are very less students. There are only 8-9 students here. और वो भी कैमरा ऑफ करके बैठे हैं. जल्दी से खोलो कैमरा. Quick. Now they are entering. Let me ask them to come inside. Wait a minute. Fourth B.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बच्चे. Fourth B. ठीक है, आओ. चलो, what we have done last time? Now tell me. Sarthak or Yashraj, open your camera. What we have done last time? This is not of your class. This is not for your class.
Ma'am, we have done the draw the abacus and when we have done the 7 digits.
Okay. So I was going to teach you about international and Indian place value system, right?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, ये मैंने आपको बताया था और आपको कल पिक्चर भी सेंड की थी मैंने. Do you remember Indian place value chart and Indian international place value chart? Once Indian का बताओ जल्दी से. Let us quickly revise it. Indian में बताओ. Rishabh will tell me. Rishabh, tell me. What will be the Indian place value chart? Tell me first of all, Rishabh, quickly.
Ma'am, like 1,72,670.
नहीं, ऐसे बोलो. Ones, tens.
100,000, 10,000 and lakh.
Wait. Ones, tens, hundreds. This is of 1 comma. They should be put in 1 comma. They are in one group. Then 1,000 and 10,000. They are in one group. Then we will put here 1 comma. Then here it will be lakh and 10 lakh. They are in one group. Okay, understood? ठीक है. अब इंटरनेशनल में what is there? इंटरनेशनल में कैसे कॉमा पुट करते हैं बेटा?
And in international, we write like
हाँ.
like 7,170. 10, 100 and 100,000. Like this, ma'am.
10,000 and 100,000. Then we put comma here. Here we have not lakhs. We have what? Millions. We don't have lakhs here. Lakhs nahi hota. Here it is millions. There are so many students joining very late. Okay. Now let me start. Take out your maths pen notebook, a new page in your maths pen notebook now. Take out maths pen notebook. New page in your maths pen notebook. Abacus so we have drawn na.
Yes,
Abacus
ma'am.
वाला तो हमने कर लिया ना. चलो take out your maths pen notebook. On a new page. मैथ्स pen notebook में न्यू पेज से आपको करना है. Write question A. Rewrite these numbers. Oh, sorry. Write down exercise. I forgot to mention the exercise. It's 1.7. It's 1.7. Write this. So what you have to do, look here first of all. Look here everyone. First of all, let me tell you what is there. Okay, let somebody speak this question. Vikas, read this question. That is written here on the board. Please just read it.
According to Indian and international place value chart.
Yes. You have to rewrite means इसे दोबारा लिखना है. Rewrite का मतलब होता है दोबारा लिखना है. We have to write these number is given to you. You have to write this number according to the Indian and then international place value chart. So how will you do it? First of all, you will mention कि आप किस वाले में कर रहे हो. उसी के नीचे लिखोगे आप Indian. बेटा PV का मतलब होता है place value. PV is the short form of place value. इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू में देखो इधर कैसे करोगे. पहले इधर मेंशन करोगे इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू और इधर मेंशन करोगे इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू. ठीक है. अब नंबर पहले लिख लो 143,874 नंबर लिख लिया आपने. ठीक है. दोनों जगह नंबर लिख लो 143,874. अब 3 से पहले कॉमा और फिर 2 से पहले कॉमा. 3 से पहले कॉमा और 3 से पहले देयर इज नो नंबर, सो दिस इज द आंसर. ठीक है. लाइक दिस यू हैव टू डू. आफ्टर दिस, आफ्टर इधर से थोड़ा सा उधर शिफ्ट करके लिखना नंबर से. आफ्टर दिस लीव वन लाइन एंड राइट क्वेश्चन टू. क्वेश्चन टू खुद से करोगे. Start doing.
Good morning, ma'am.
Who is so late?
Ma'am, this will be write in notebook.
What is your name?
Ma'am, Arush.
Arush, why are you late?
मैम हमारा टाइम टाइम मैम घड़ी गलत टाइम दिखा रही थी मैम, इसलिए थोड़ा लेट हो गया मैम.
Please speak in English. This is not a way.
Ma'am, this write in notebook.
Beta, what is written at the top? What is written at the top? क्या लिखा है सबसे ऊपर? It's written Maths Fair Notebook. That means you have to do in Maths Fair Notebook.
Ma'am, what would you write in?
What you are asking?
Ma'am, what would you write in?
Where?
Ma'am,
Who's
question
Lakshyaveer? क्या बोल रहे हो बेटा?
मैं क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट में क्या लिखना है?
This is the way. This is why you come late and you disturb the whole class. You don't know what is going on. Just see here what is going on. इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट के अरेंज करना है और इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू के चार्ट के अकॉर्डिंग अरेंज करना है इसको. ओपन योर कैमरास. ये क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस? कैमरा के बिना बैठे हुए. व्हाट इज दिस? हर्ष पटेल, आरुष, ध्रुव, प्रत्यक्ष, आर यू सम वीआईपीज ऑफ द क्लास?
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, what was the fifth one? I cannot see, ma'am.
बेटा फिफ्थ वन इज 517203.
Okay, ma'am.
Just sitting behind the camera says there are some VIP. जिन्होंने कैमरा खोल के बैठे हुए they are fools ना, है ना?
Ma'am, done.
Okay, send it. Harsh Patel, you are the most VIP person of the class because you never switch on your camera. है ना? You are the most VIP person.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
अब ऑन किया ना बेटा कहने के बाद. I'm not fool that you switch on your camera and you're saying, ma'am, my camera is on. You never switch on your camera. ये जिन्होंने भी कैमरा खोल के बैठे हैं ना, they are not fools. Keep your camera always on. Araf Solanki, what's going on? Why are you not studying?
Ma'am, Ashok Kumar, I have done. Ma'am, I will send in WhatsApp.
Okay.
हो गया।
Who is this?
Can I rub it?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
On fifth.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Okay.
have done in the group my work. Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
Beta, let me check it, okay? First is Karthik. Yes, Karthik, correct. Very good. Yes, very good, Vikas. Very nice. Very good. Very nicely you people are doing the work. Neat and clean. Very good. Beta Devansh, I of Indian and I of International should be capital. Okay, it is
Okay,
the
ma'am.
rule. It is the rule. I of International and I of this should be capital. Isha, very nice. Very good. Very good, Yashraj. But Yashraj, you have not mentioned the exercise number at the top. Yashraj, you have not mentioned the exercise number at the top.
Okay, ma'am.
Correct it, Yashraj.
Yes, ma'am.
Exercise number कौन लिखेगा ये exercise number this? Who is going to write it? Done all of you? Shall I rub it now? Who is still doing it? May I rub this? Shall I start the next question, which is very important? Let me take your attendance by the time. Wait a second.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a second, beta. Let me take your attendance. Okay. Okay, I think everyone has completed it. Little one, some of you are left, so send it to me quickly, your answers. Okay, ये सब क्या मुझे ये बताओ, ये क्या कुछ स्पेशल गेस्ट है क्लास में? ध्रुव सिंह है, अथर सिंह, हर्ष पटेल, युवराज सिंह टू, सार्थक अग्रवाल, विकास, नंदिनी. Are you some special guest in the class? Are you someone special in the class? That you are not switching on your cameras? इतने अच्छे फेसेस है तुम्हारे कि तुम फेसेस ही नहीं दिखाना चाहते हो अपने. हाँ
मैम ऑन।
बेटा, जब ऑन कर दोगे तभी तो ऑन होगा ना। ऑन करके बोलोगे तो ऑन होगा ना। आप थोड़ी थोड़ी देर बाद बंद कर दोगे तो हाउ इट विल बी पॉसिबल। अब मैं कोई वार्निंग नहीं दे रही हूँ। आई एम गोइंग टू थ्रो दी स्टूडेंट के कैमरा ऑफ है। ये ध्रुव सिंह का तो खुला ही नहीं है, इसको तो मैं बाहर कर रही हूँ। और कौन नहीं खोल रहा था अपना? हर्ष पटेल का देखो अब कैमरा खुल गया जल्दी से। फिर कहेगा माय कैमरा इज ऑन। कार्तिक कुमार का कैमरा ऑफ। हाँ
Ma'am, can I send my work to you?
यस बेटा। Okay, Stuti, I got your answer, बच्चे. Stuti, why have you made this notebook so dirty? Are you eating, or this notebook is eating? Who is eating? हाँ स्तुति. स्तुति लास्ट आंसर और सेकंड लास्ट का इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू रॉन्ग करी हुई है. फोर्थ और फिफ्थ वाले की इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू का कॉमास रॉन्ग है. आरफ सोलंकी, इंटरनेशनल का आई मस्ट बी कैपिटल और ये डॉट नहीं है, कॉमा सही से पुट करो.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके वेरी गुड. हु इज दिस? युवराज सिंह. सही है, ठीक है. शीश करेक्ट. अब मैं जरा ये देखूं किसका कैमरा ऑफ है. द कैमरा इज ऑफ विल बी थ्रोन आउट ऑफ द स्कूल क्लास. सॉरी. Okay, let me tell you the answers now. Avni correct. Yes, now let me tell you the answers. Okay, see here, look here. Take with it. I'm not writing full Indian and international like you all have done nicely. Very nice work you have done. You people have done very nice work. I must appreciate it. 418740 and international will be 418740. Okay. So here 3 से पहले comma and 2 से पहले comma. Here it will be a comma. Here 3 only by before 3 digits. Here it will be a comma only before 3 digits. Now again for Indian 239100. International के लिए you will have 239100. 3 से पहले comma and here 2 से पहले comma. Here it will be comma before 9. बस. ठीक है स्तुति, correct your answer. Few answers were wrong. Here in Indian you have 600287 and international you have 600287. ठीक है, put comma here, put comma here and put one comma here. Okay. Last वाला बचा है. Last वाला will be 517203. Put comma here and put comma here. International के लिए 517503. See the answers. Check your answers, everyone. Quickly check your answers. चलो let me start the next. चलो let us start the next questions. Okay, let me start the next question. Be quick. इतना टाइम दिया है बेटा. Okay बेटा, before starting the next question I would like to tell you, अगर हमें दो numbers दे रखे हैं, now look here everyone, very important, very very important thing I'm going to teach you. Okay, see here. Okay, look here everyone, look here on the board. Do not do anything. Just look here. Suppose any number is given to you, how to write down the number names. See, if any number is given to you, 2, 4, 3, 0, 6, 7. This is one number given to you. Now by looking at it, can you tell me this is Indian or international?
Ma'am, this is
Indian.
Ma'am, Indian.
कैसे पहचाना बेटा? कैसे पहचाना बेटा?
Because of commas.
Because of the commas. देखो, ones, tens, hundreds ये कॉमा आ गया, फिर 2 से पहले कॉमा आया तो ये इंडियन हो गया. ठीक है. So how do we read Indian? ये 2 देखो, ये ones, tens, hundred, ये 1000 वाले हो गए, ये lakh वाला हो गया. देखो मैंने ऐसे बताया था, ones, tens, hundred, 1000 and 10,000 and one is of lakh. ऐसे बताया था ना मैंने. So this is of lakh.
Yes, ma'am.
So how do we read this number as 2 lakh? इसको कैसे रीड करते हैं? 2 lakh. 2 lakh. और बेटा देखो s इसमें नहीं लगाते, जब प्लेस वैल्यू लिखते हैं तब s लगाते हैं, इसमें s नहीं लगाते. 2 lakh. 4 3 को how do you read 4 3? 4 3 क्या होता है?
43.
4 3 43. 43. अच्छा ये पीरियड कौन सा है? 43 वाला 1000. So what will you read it as? 43,000. And how do you read 067? 067 को कैसे पढ़ते हैं?
167.
Okay. Now, if the question is 243, 067, तो आप इसको कैसे रीड करेंगे? See here. How do you read 243? 243 को कैसे पढ़ते हैं? 24 पढ़ते हैं. 24 पढ़ते हैं. 243 को आप कैसे पढ़ते हैं? 243. 243. इसको आप क्या रीड करते हो? 2043. Sorry, 243. And it is in thousand. So I will write here 1000. 243,000. और 067 को how you read? अच्छा ये पीरियड कौन सा था? 1000 का. तो 243 कौन से पीरियड में था? 1000 वाले में. 067 को हम क्या पढ़ते हैं? 67.
67.
Understood? Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, let us start. How much time is left? Only 2 minutes are left. Okay, let me give you one more example, then we will start from tomorrow. We will start doing this from tomorrow. Today, let's do some more quick practice. Like you will tell me and I will ask you. अभी हमने एक नंबर लिखा था 600287. चलो, let's write in Indian system also and international system also. Excuse me. 600
Ma'am, 2,000.
Ma'am, 6, comma, 0,
Nobody will write comma. जब हम ये लिखते हैं तो comma put नहीं करते number names में. 6 is in lakh. 6 lakh. 6 lakh. If there is no 1,000, no need to write 1,000. Write 6 lakh only. No 1,000, leave it. 287. How do you read 287? 287. Okay. And if the same number is given like this, 600, 287. How will you read it as? कैसे पढ़ोगे इसको?
Ma'am, 600.
600.
6,287.
600 होगा बस 600,000, not lakh. 600 को we read. How do we read 600? 600. 600,000. And they are in the period of 1,000. They are in the period of 1,000. 287. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think the period is going to be over.
Ma'am, there is one more period of yours.
I don't think so. Let me check.
Yes, ma'am, there is.
There is. Which one?
Ma'am, second last.
Yes, second last. CAB, yes. Okay, see you in the last period. I will do this, complete this question in the last period. Okay? Chalo, bye everyone. See you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Take care.